Hello everyone. So today I am here at my nursery site where Mayank Aquaculture carried out a small research trial. So here we did research with 6 tanks. Each tank is around 200 ton volume holding capacity, and here roughly we have stocked around 60,000 shrimps, and today is roughly around 90 DOC. So in 90 days I can proudly say that from this one tank we are able to harvest nothing less than 900 kgs to 1 ton of shrimp per tank, and the final harvest size was 25 to 26 grams. And despite of this winter season, we are able to achieve this growth, and we are very proud of this growth because of 3 main reasons. Number 1, first, this trial was initiated to understand their carrying capacity. Number 2, to understand that why the same lot and batch of Venami genetics which we do culture in the creek based ponds, they are getting a failure rate, but the same seeds, the same genetics, the same lot, when we do it in this biosecure tank with very efficient pond water preparation, treating the pond water at utmost level to make it as clean and pure as possible, and with proper farming SOP. So the SOP is almost similar to farms, with just relative water exchange, probiotic addition, proper feeding management with feeding 4 to 6 times a day. But despite of all that, achieving this productivity,
roughly somewhere around 5 kg per cubic meter of productivity.
this is what which I feel was very significant with very minimal infrastructure. So when you will see in this ahead videos, continuing to the harvesting. So the harvesting method is very simple. So as you can see here, we have emptied the tanks, and with the help of drag netting, we have just reduced the water volume, emptied the water, and taken out most of the shrimps from the tanks. And zoom karna. See the quality. As you can see, so this is the quality and the potential of domestic market. And imagine this premium quality shrimps which are even export worthy. Now even the customers and the local buyers, they are appreciating this quality, and they want such good quality shrimps for the domestic market consumer. So all I can say is that the buyer centric market is changing. Domestic market from the perspective of vendor, the consumer or the customer, it's changing, and now everybody wants such premium farm fresh export quality shrimps at their doorstep. As you can see here, see, this is the completely harvested tank. See, zero stress, zero trace of any kind of mortality. As I said again, no stress observed on the shrimps, premium quality shrimps, and more importantly, see, the tank is completely harvested, completely neat and clean. If you consider the tank bottom, the water is completely siphoned out. And with this, integrating this nursery operation with this tank based culture system, we found out that we are getting efficient survivals, good survival rates, and despite of winter, still we were able to get a very good compensatory ADG growth. So at last, I would just like to conclude that this is just a study. I am not saying this is absolute, but for us, even if we adopt this mode of culture tanks in off season, and if we can produce roughly 900 kgs to 1 ton with including partial 1, partial 2, here we have roughly done 3 partials. So partial 1, we did it at the size of 10 to 12 grams. Partial 2, we did it somewhere around 15 to 16 grams. Partial 3, we did at size of 20 to 22 grams. And the final harvest, we did at 25 to 26 grams. So despite of all this, we were efficiently able to manage the stock of these ponds and also the domestic demand which the suppliers and the vendors needed. Because vendors, they start demanding from 10 grams, then they start demanding from 10 grams to this 25 grams. So in this slab of 10 grams to 25 grams, we were efficiently able to plan, market, partial harvest and final harvest our produce. So in terms of flexibility, yes, if there is a good domestic rate or domestic rate for your produce, this is a very good standard operation which we many thanks to Mayank Aquaculture team for making this possible, and also under the guidance of Dr. Manoj Sharma we are able to achieve this. So thank you so much, and of course we are planning to replicate this model as much as we can, because in this 6 years of domestic market journey, Mayank Aquaculture has able to tap not only 2 to 3 local buyers or suppliers, but now today, after this 6 years of hard work for our farms or these tank-based systems for off-season or catering it to the closest vicinity, we are able to tap nothing less than 26 to 27 local suppliers who are ready and willingly buying this premium quality shrimp.